Hello everyone. Throughout the summer, my little vegetable garden produced a lot of cucumbers. So we ate a lot and also gave away a lot. Most people put cucumber slices or cubes into a salad, but you can only consume very limited amount this way. How do we prepare cucumbers so they taste great and we can also have a hearty amount of them? Here's one way. Stir-fry cucumbers with eggs. In Chinese, 黄瓜炒鸡蛋. Let me show you how. First, prepare ingredients. Wash clean 2 cucumbers. Cut off both ends and then quarter each cucumber lengthwise. Now, slice them into thin slices. Put them into a bowl and sprinkle some salt to lightly marinate for 10 minutes. Chop up green onions into tiny pieces. Slice up red chili peppers and garlic cloves into tiny pieces. Beat up 4 eggs in a small bowl and set aside. Now, cooking time. Heat up oil in a frying pan over medium-high heat. Swirl in scrambled eggs into the pan. Gently stir eggs for up to a minute to make sure they're evenly cooked and not burned. Then dish out and reserve. Now, top up with a little oil over medium-high heat and bloom chopped green onions, red chili peppers, and garlic for 20 seconds. Followed by adding in marinated cucumber slices. Discard the liquid if any. Now, turn up the heat to high and stir cook for 2 to 4 minutes, depending on how cooked you want cucumbers to be. If you prefer to more crunchy cucumbers, use less time. Optionally, you can sprinkle some black pepper powder right now. Now add the eggs back in and give a quick stir. Adding a touch of sugar and some oyster sauce, give a quick mix and stir before dishing out. That's it. Hope you try this simple recipe and tell me how it goes. Thanks for watching Little Cookbook and see you next time.